Yo guys, what is up? It is Kento from TheRealmOfTheGeek, and today we are doing a how to code a anti-curse, anti-swear plugin, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, first before I show you what it does, I'm just going to say why I think this is a really good plugin for everyone to start on. So the reason why I think this is because it really just touches on everything. It touches on for loops and configs and events and event handlers and registering the events, which is all super important while learning to code, because I didn't do an anti-curse plugin at the start, and I just had a really slow start off. So yeah, currently in this episode, we won't be doing Asterix and stuff with it, but what we will be doing is just blocking it totally. So if you do testy, it'll say please don't swear, bad word, it just says it. You can add t.e.s.t.y, it'll say please don't swear, and that's just a basic parse. So yeah, now that you've seen what it can do, let us get right into the coding part. Okay, so now that we are in the Eclipse area, what I will do, or what we will do, is go to the Package Explorer, right click, New Java Project. And now we can name this, I'll just name mine ChatGuard, because that's what it's doing, and just hit enter. So now, right click on the ChatGuard file, right click New Class, and then go up here where it says package and say com.yourname. And then the name of your main file. So mine is ChatGuard. Okay. So now go back into the name of the class, which is right here, and type main with a capital M. Let that load. And okay, now that we're in, we're going to right click again on ChatGuard, properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, Spigot, and then choose your latest Spigot version that is running on your server. So my Spigot latest, apply, okay. Alright, so now that that is done, what we'll do is go up here to where it says public class main, and then type space extends Java plugin, capital J and capital P, implements, listener. Okay, and then hit Control-Shift-O to import everything. Really good hotkey to know. Okay, so now we're going to do public void on enable, and this will run on the server enabling the plugin, and then public void on disable. And now what we're going to want to do is go back into on enable and type this dot get server dot get plugin. Oh, if I can type, plugin manager dot register, register events, hit enter, and then args1 this, and arg1 this. Alright, so both of these arguments should be filled with this. And then go save, hit enter, save default config. And that'll just save the default config and save us a few lines of code. Alright. So now that we have the events registered and the config saved, what we're going to want to do is go below on disable and type @event handler, and that'll tell the event register that this is an event. And then you're going to want to, type public void on player chat event, hit the parentheses, and then in the parentheses, async player chat event e. Okay, now do the squirrely brackets again and import both event handler and async player chat event. Alright, so now that you've gotten here, I'm going to type player p equals e.getPlayer. So what this is doing, you're going to want to import player. So what this is doing is getting the player that called the event async player chat event. So that's whenever someone types in any letter or any word into the chat, sorry. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is type string message equals e.getMessage. Hit enter again. Message equals message dot replace all. And then what you're going to want to do is dot you want to put open quotes, dot, close quotes, and then comma, just quotes, no, nothing in it. So empty quotes. No space in it though, because that'll break it. So basically what this is doing is it parsing it. Oops, sorry. It's parsing it. Hold on. Alright, so sorry about that. So what this does is it parses the message, and each character, it will remove the dot. So, yeah, so that's ways people can't just type like b.a.d, let's say. Okay, so now we're going to want to do the same thing. Message equals message.replace all, and then put a comma in the place of the dot, and then replacement, just empty quotes. Now you could do this with like underscores and stuff, but I'm just going to do the commas and periods. Okay, so we're going now to do for string bad word space colon get config dot get string list, and then we're going to type bad words into here. Okay, so what this does, it loops through the config list bad words, and it puts it into a string. Each different different list object into a string. So now we're going to do if message dot contains, and then bad word e dot set canceled true. Come on, true. And then hit enter again, and then p dot send message chat color dot red plus open quotes, please do not swear, close quotes. And that is it for this main class. So you have successfully coded your first plugin, but wait, there's more. We have to add in the config and the plugin.yml. So let's go right click on ChatGuard again, new file, and name this, let's name this config.yml with no caps. Very important. This won't show up for you, but when this opens up, just hit cancel, and then drag the config.yml into this text editor area. So now you're going to want to do bad words, colon, and then 2 space, hyphen, space, and then the word. So I'll do bad. And that's it. So then you can type in all your other words like testy or whatever. Just everything you want to block. So you could do like hacker, hacks, and so on and so forth. Alright, so that is it for there. And now you're going to right click on ChatGuard again, file, new, file, and then type in plugin.yml. This still won't show up for you. Okay, now hit cancel again, scroll this in, and type name ChatGuard. This has to be the same thing as here. And then version, since this is the first version, I'll type 1.0. And then the main. This is where the main class is located. So for me, it's and this package .kento.chatguard.main. And then description blocks swears. And that's all. So now you can right click, export, next, put it to where your plugins file is, and name it as ChatGuard, and then hit finish. If you want an incredible server hoster that can host just about anything, use GGServers. Link on screen and in the description down below.